Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Dina Sylvia Putri, Bachelor of Law, Master of Laws, and good morning, my friends. I hope you guys will always be healthy. First, I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. In this opportunity, I will explain about Belgium civil law. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Brianita Alya. You guys can call me Alya. My student ID number is 23080100252. Alright, now let's get started. Belgium civil law. What is the judicial system in Belgium? Belgium is a federal state with a civil law system and is a member of the European Union. The Belgian judicial system is a system in the civil law tradition in which a set of codified rules is applied and interpreted by judge. What are the rules of Belgian civil law? The civil law in Belgium governs the laws and regulations of the civil code. The current civil code in Belgium is based on the French civil code developed in 1804, named Napoleonic Code, which is based on the principles of private property, the freedom of contract, and a binding contract. The public law in Belgium focuses on the cases concerning states, while the private law takes charge of the individual cases among citizens. The civil code in Belgium is divided into three parts: the first dealing with person, the second with property, and the third with different modes of acquiring property. The Napoleon Codes in Belgium. The laws in Belgium are codified. Most of them are based on the civil law from the Code Napoleon, which has been modified to suit the spirit of modern times and customs of the country, and adapted from French. There are five major codes, which are the Civil Code, the Commercial Code, the Criminal Code, Code of Criminal Procedure, and Judicial Code. What is the difference between common law and civil law? The main difference between a common law system and a civil law system in Belgium is makes a fundamental distinction between public and private law. And Belgium is one of the countries that applies this differentiation. Therefore, for lawyers in Belgium, it is an important distinction. While private law in Belgium solves disputes between individuals and regulates the relations among citizens, the public law manages the relations between the state and its citizens in regards to internal organization of the states. Belgian private international law states that foreign law is to be applied on the basis of the interpretation that is accepted in the foreign country. If the court cannot determine the content of the foreign law itself, it may request the cooperation of the parties. Where it is clearly impossible for the court to determine the content of the foreign law in a reasonable time, it must apply Belgian law, Article 15 of the Code. That's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a great day, everyone.